Taking a look at our 9-system portfolio, it includes 11 systems. I have 2 additional systems in this window. So we're going to take a look at yesterday's trades. 2 trades on the Euro surge short without the profit target. Euro gap fill is short here, hit its profit target. And then gold spike 2 yesterday had a nice short trade on a narrow range day. You see gold is up today. Today we come in where our long Cobra CT5B, long SR counter trend, and short stock index swing. So the perfect scenario for this would be for the market to rally for Cobra CT5B and SR counter trend, for those markets to get out at profits, and then the stock index swing would still stay short since it has a larger stop loss of 20 points on 20 point stop loss, 20 point profit target. And Grains Day Trade 3 is short today as well. And so those are some of the recent trades. Our special offer for the 9-system portfolio expires tomorrow at noon. 100K portfolio. Some of you asked about a 100K portfolio, and here's a way to add strategies. You get that total profit over drawdown number up to a larger amount. Account size required is a little less than 100K, but on the conservative side, you could say a 100K portfolio. And it's based on the 9-system portfolio. We use our money management algorithms. And then we take out Euro Surge and SR Counter Trend, and we use the profit target version of those. You see Euro Surge profit target. That strategy is added here. You see SR Counter Trend crude oil. We use the $800 profit target there. We talked about this in the webinar yesterday. And then we added some other stock index swings like the stock index swing day trade version, gap fill rank from our book. We use gap continue 2B from our book. There's a new strategy called gap fill fade that we use. And then soybeans day trade is in the 3 is in the 9-system portfolio. We had Cobra bonds. Cobra is one of our favorite strategies, and we add diversity to the interest rate sector. And you've got some counter trend strategies: Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, Australian dollar. We don't trade those markets in the 9-system portfolio, so that adds some diversity, as well as SR counter trend gold. And then you've got DAX Night Trader and DAX Cobra, 2 really good strategies. We use the money management version on DAX Cobra. And here's the drawdown curve. So nice drawdown curve. The longest time this has been into drawdown is 7/31/2012 to 11/6/2012. So almost 3.5 months, a little over 3 months. And you can see the average returns. 2007 through 2014, these are the average returns. 2011 through 2014, these are the average returns. And 2012 through 2014, you see these are the average returns. And so we've got June coming up, which over the last couple of years is the nicest average returns. July does well also, and overall really good averages. So March has been a little bit low. The last few years we see what happened this year in March. And so that's for those of you that want to add on to the 9-system portfolio. You can contact me about that. I've had some issues with my dedicated server that I used before and recommended before, and so there was some internet connectivity issues. I recommend now Ubiquity Hosting. You can Google Ubiquity Hosting or go to ubiquityhosting.com. You click on dedicated servers, and the one I use is this right here, Intel Xeon E3 1270. Customize and deploy it. I'll show you my setup. I recommend this so you don't have to worry about redundancy for power and internet outages, getting into a position and then your stop loss not being in because you're not there and the internet went out or the power went out and your battery backup ran out. I like the 120 gigabyte SSD. I don't need a lot of space. Just to have the basic platform set up, and I use a 16 gigabyte hard drive. I don't have any backup hard drives. I back it up on my Dropbox on my PC at home, and then 100 megabytes, all you need, and Windows Server 2012 standard, $254 a month. that you can lose more than that with a bad automation error. So it's worth it. You don't want to get stuck in a bad situation um, without your stop loss if you're not watching it, or to miss winning trades. It's hard to see that you miss winning trades. So that's how I set up my dedicated server, Ubiquity Hosting. And then if you have any questions on how to use a dedicated server, let me know that. Let me know. I may go over that in another video. You basically type in remote desktop connection in your start control panel at the bottom, and then type in the IP address and the username and password that they assign you. And it's just a nice terminal that pops up a nice screen, and you can look at it from anywhere, your smartphone, your tablet, and you can track it that way. But anyways, that is the setup. Let me know if you have any questions.